हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम जानेंगे मशीन लर्निंग क्या होता है. What is machine learning? Real life example of machine learning. How does machine learning work? We cover this all the topics. Let's start. What is machine learning? Machine learning, ML, is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data. Machine learning एक artificial intelligence का type होता है जो कंप्यूटर को allow करता है learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Think of it like this. Just like a child learns from experience, जैसे बच्चे अनुभव से सीखते हैं, seeing things, hearing sounds, practicing skills, a computer learns from data, patterns. जो कंप्यूटर है वो learn करता है from data और patterns से और previous results to make smart decisions. Real life example, Netflix and YouTube recommendations. Ever noticed how YouTube or Netflix recommends videos, movies that match your interests? आपके इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से YouTube और Netflix वीडियोस और मूवीज को रेकमेंड्स करते हैं. That's machine learning in action. It analyzes what you watched before and suggests